Alright, it's almost 11 a.m. I'm gonna catch the required weekly test for today. It is a good weather day, as of right now at least. And now we're gonna wait.
Location 7 Fields, Pennsylvania, and location 3 Southwest 7 Fields, Pennsylvania. Date June 21st, 2021. Estimated time 2:53 p.m. 2:55 p.m. Maximum F scale rating.
Oh.
F0 estimated maximum wind speed 70 miles.
Yeah, they're talking about the tornado that hit 2 days ago. I posted 2 videos on it, both 1 day apart, but they both happened on the same day. Yay! Oh.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to a regular broadcast